Want to try out Guesty's smart and powerful Airbnb listings management features? Before replacing your current PMS, pre-onboard your Airbnb account to give Guesty a viewing-only permission and give it a go before you decide. To do that, log into Guesty, choose Growth Mode, then Distribution, and then Airbnb. Now click Add Account, then set up a view-only connection, and again here. Next, in Airbnb, grant Guesty viewing permissions for your listings data by clicking Allow. Back in Guesty, review the listings that will be imported, and when ready, click here, and that's it. Your information will sync to Guesty, listing by listing. Refresh the page to see the progress of the connection until all of your Airbnb listings are connected with a viewing-only connection. This means that any new information from Airbnb will be synced automatically, but you can start trying Guesty's features and tools without any changes syncing back to Airbnb until you decide to fully connect the pre-onboarded account and turn Guesty into your main and only PMS. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching.